From the pharaohs to the deep waters of the Nile River, the history of Egypt spans thousands of years. Do you know the hidden stories behind the pyramids of Egypt? The magical magic of the pharaohs, their empire, and the secrets of history that have been buried in the scrolls with the pharaohs? Every stone here tells a story, every image has a secret. Are you ready for this journey that will take you to the hidden secrets of ancient Egypt? Egypt is the center of attention for tourists from all over the world due to its ancient civilization, the kingdom of the pharaohs, and its important cultural heritage. The kings of Egypt were not only the rulers of the empire, but they were also given the status of gods. The most famous pharaoh was Ramses II, who reigned on the throne of Egypt for 66 years. Tutankhamun was another famous pharaoh whose death remains a mystery to this day. It is said that his death was accidental or a result of murder, but the facts could not be revealed. The ages of the pharaohs varied, but there are many theories about the death of the pharaohs, who lived for 30 to 60 years. Some suffered from diseases and some conspiracies. It is believed that Tutankhamun's death was also an accident, but evidence found in his tomb has shown that his death was unexpected. Egypt has always been a favorite country for tourists interested in the history of the pharaohs, where ancient history and modern facilities are combined. The pyramids of Egypt and the Sphinx attract tourists from all over the world. Boat trips on the Nile River, the tomb of the pharaoh, the tomb and the body of the pharaoh, which are still in the world in the form of a mummy, increase the efforts of tourists to Egypt. The statues of the pharaohs, coffins and ancient artifacts in the museums of Cairo hold many secrets. Desert safaris and diving in the Red Sea are also popular activities for tourists. Museums, ancient sites, traditional markets and cultural experiences are not to be forgotten. The lifestyle here is unique and attractive. There is a wide network of air travel, trains and buses that provide all kinds of transport facilities to tourists. Restaurants equipped with the best and modern facilities are also available to tourists at all times. A cruise on the Nile River is also a popular and comfortable way. Taxi services in cities also play an important role in enjoying tourism. The people of Egypt are very hospitable and warmly welcoming. Tourists are always eager to know the secrets hidden in the pyramids of Egypt. The locals inform them about the hidden stories and history here. Traditional Egyptian dishes such as koshari, fal and moloki make your trip more delicious and unique. Egypt has a deep influence of Arabic culture and Islamic traditions, which is clearly visible in the lifestyle here. Tourism is an important pillar of the Egyptian economy. Every year, millions of tourists come to visit the historical sites of Egypt and then remember their trip for years. The Nile River, which has historical significance and carries many stories with it, is important for Egypt's agriculture. It meets the country's crops and water needs. Oil and gas reserves here also support the economy. The Suez Canal is an important route for maritime trade that gives Egypt billions of dollars in profit annually. The complete secrets of ancient Egypt have not been revealed to humans to this day. Egypt is not only the cradle of an ancient civilization, but it is also a modern and developing country. Its history, culture, natural beauty, pyramids, secrets of Egypt and the hospitality of the people are always fascinating. So, tell us in the comments how you liked the interesting facts of Egyptian history. And for more such adventures and attractive historical tourism, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that our videos continue to reach you.